everyone, today I'm going to show you how I do a toner that you don't need to leave in your hair. We can say it's an instant toner. Basically all you need is to do this and put it in the shower. And not before, because if you leave it on your hair too long, it's gonna turn it blue, green, or purple. So basically, I'm a lazy person. I don't like to wash my hair, go out of the shower, put the toner, wait like 5 to 7 minutes, then go back in the shower. Or maybe I'm sounding like a really lazy person, but basically I like to put my toner in the shower if I can. Usually if you watch my other toner videos, you know that I usually put it before I wash my hair. But since I bleach my hair and I put the Olaplex treatment before I wash my hair, I usually have to put my toner in the shower, and I don't like to go out of the shower, put the toner, wait, and then come back. So I tried to make a toner where I could only put it in the shower and leave it max 2 minutes or not even. And I did something that I think works every time. It's been already a little bit more than a month that I did this toner. I use it 3 times, I think. You don't need to put it every time, but if you want, you can put a little bit every time. As you can see, my hair, I'm really mad because the lighting right now is showing it a little bit yellow, but it's not yellow at all. Let me show you. It is the part that needs to be blonde. As you can see, I have some part that is really light, almost like a platinum blonde. Then I have, this is like a money piece that I did, and I have a little bit like honey medium blonde going on top here. I have like different hair color right now, but as you can see, this is not yellow, it's not orange, and I only leave the toner for not even a minute, because I did it right after I show you and I was not in the shower. I left it maybe a minute by the time I go in the shower. But all you need is this in the you finish to wash your hair, and then you're gonna see in the video, my hair start immediately to turn already toned down, especially the part that is lighter. So if your hair is really light like this, or even lighter than this, make sure you don't leave it, because it's gonna turn purple, green, or blue. So I'm gonna do a voiceover just to explain to you what is the toner and what you need and everything, but I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like when it's straight, the color. Don't mind my face, guys. I had a mask, but this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use something to put the toner. So I'm using this so I can measure. I'm using 1 cup of conditioner. As you can see, I'm mixing some after cream of some box color that I had. You don't need to use that, but I love to just use conditioner or anything that I know I'm not gonna really use on my hair. So this is why I use some color after treatment, and then use some Pressy conditioner. You can use whatever conditioner you want. So I put 1 cup of conditioner here. I'm mixing it just because I had different conditioner, but if you have only one, you don't need to mix. Then I'm going to use Manic Shocking Blue. As you can see, I'm taking half of a tablespoon, and then just put it on the conditioner, in the conditioner, and then mix everything. Then I put half of a teaspoon of the Manic Purple Haze. My bottle is almost done, but it's been more than 3 years that I have this bottle. So you have a lot to do your toner, even if sometimes it is expensive. Just remember that you don't use a lot to do your toner. But I just put this on my conditioner and then just mix everything again. When I mixed everything, I realized that my toner was not purple enough, so I just put a little bit more of the purple A's, maybe like another half of a teaspoon. You don't need to do that, but I knew that it was not purple enough for my hair. Again, this is just like my recipe for the toner, but if you feel like your hair it's more like orange, make sure you put more blue, and if you feel like your hair it's more yellow, you can put more purple. And that's pretty much it. You just mix everything. It's not long to do. And this toner, I was really impressed how fast it worked on my hair. But again, you don't need to use what I use on this video. If you have like whatever Manic blue color that you want and another purple, you should be fine to tone your hair. So you can see that my hair before it's really orange and yellow, and you're gonna see that when I'm putting the toner. I don't know if you are able to see, but the color it's already toning down, like especially the part in the front where it's lighter, they start to tone really fast. And to be honest, I probably kept it too long in my hair in this video, but the time that I did put the toner in the shower, the timing was perfect. I only leave it like maybe a minute. So right after I put the toner, I just went to the shower and then rinsed my hair. This is my result after I did my wash and go when my hair is curly, and then at the end you're gonna see when my hair is straight. This is after I think 3 or 4 times. I don't remember how many times I used it. I think it was three, but I still have some. So I want to show you. So if you don't have a lot of hair like me, it's probably gonna give you more toner than that. You can use it every time again, or just like once a month, or if you feel like you need to tone down your hair, then you can use it as often as you want. But this is what I have left. So this is it. It's really simple, it's fast, and if you are lazy like me, you don't need to leave the toner for like the 5 to 7 minutes that I usually do with my old toner. But I hope this one was helpful. Let me know if you try it, if it works for you. If you have any question, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.